What if your customers could shop faster, smoother, and never leave the page to do it? With Product Quick View, they can browse, decide, and buy in one seamless motion. Meet the Product Quick View module from ShopLentor, a seamless way to let customers preview products, check prices, and even add to cart, all without leaving the current page. It's faster, smoother, and built to boost conversions. Here's how to activate it. Head to ShopLentor Settings Modules. Turn on Product Quick View, enable it on Shop Archive pages and mobile. Customize the button text, icon, and position. Before, after, add to cart, or on the product image. Inside the Quick View pop-up, show exactly what matters. Product title, price, rating, add to cart, and meta. Choose single image, slider, or theme layout. Add Ajax, add to cart, no reloads. Enable social sharing with Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and more, all from one clean, responsive pop-up. Don't let page reloads slow down your sales. Activate the Product Quick View module with ShopLentor and give your customers the speed and convenience they expect. It's smart, smooth, and designed to convert. Try ShopLentor Pro today and make your store faster in all the right ways.